Hello and welcome to DQ. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to integrate Axe Developer Hub into your development workflow. In this demonstration, we'll walk through setting up an Axe Developer Hub account, configuring Cypress for accessibility testing, and using the Axe Developer Hub to fix accessibility issues in a Next.js application. Let's get started. Before we dive into our application, we need to set up an account with Axe Developer Hub. Start by visiting the platform and signing in. I'll choose to log in with Google for this demonstration. Once signed in, fill out your company details, accept the terms of service, and click Create. Next, select your testing suite, in our case, Cypress. After that, you'll name your project. For this demo, we're just going to call it Webway Cypress, and click Next. Once inside, you'll receive an API key. Be sure to practice security best practices by saving this key somewhere secure, such as an env file. Now let's configure our Cypress project. First, install the required packages with this command. Once that's installed, update the cypress.config.js file by pasting the provided code from the Axe Developer Hub setup instructions. Remember again to hide the API key before pushing to a public-facing repository. Next, go to the e2e.js file in the support directory and paste the additional setup code. Save both files, and your Cypress project is ready to run accessibility tests. To run the test, copy this command, paste it, press enter. This will launch Cypress. Run your end-to-end tests, and communicate with Axe Developer Hub to display the results. Once the tests finish running, head to the Axe Developer Hub dashboard to review the results. The dashboard organizes issues by severity, and while typically running end-to-end tests lead to issue duplication, with Axe Dev Hub, you could rest assured that time is saved by automatically deduplicating issues, saving you a tremendous amount of time. For this demo, we see 7 serious issues flagged. One common issue is color contrast. For example, our H1 tag, kitchen sink, doesn't meet the WCAG minimum contrast ratio standards between its foreground and background colors. Axe Developer Hub provides detailed explanations and links to DQ University, where you could find remediation steps, code examples, and guidance on why the issue matters. Let's follow the path provided in the report to inspect the element using Chrome DevTools. The ability to isolate issues caused by recent changes saves a significant amount of time by eliminating distractions from legacy problems. And that's a quick look at Axe Developer Hub in action, with seamless integration into your testing workflow, detailed guidance for fixing issues, and tools to isolate new problems. Axe Developer Hub makes accessibility testing efficient and impactful. Axe Developer Hub also facilitates collaboration, permitting you to share these results with teammates. Start improving your site's accessibility today by signing up for a free trial. Thanks for watching, and happy testing.